Do you struggle with finding healthy and easy to incorporate foods into your diet? Look no further than egg whites. Not only are they a low-calorie and high-protein option, but they also come with a plethora of health benefits that you won't want to miss out on. In this video, we'll explore the top 15 benefits of eating egg whites every day, plus a bonus that will leave you wondering why you haven't been incorporating them into your diet sooner. So let's crack some eggs and get started. 1. Low in calories and high in protein. Egg whites are an excellent option for those looking to increase their protein intake while maintaining a low-calorie diet. One egg white contains about 3.6 grams of protein and only 17 calories, making it an ideal option for those looking to build muscle or lose weight. Additionally, egg whites are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs for optimal health. 2. Promotes muscle growth and repair. As mentioned, egg whites are an excellent source of protein, making them an essential component for muscle growth and repair. Consuming egg whites after a workout helps to provide your muscles with the necessary building blocks to repair and grow, leading to increased strength and endurance over time. So, if you're looking to improve your athletic performance or simply want to build lean muscle, be sure to incorporate egg whites into your post-workout meal plan. 3. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Despite their bad reputation in the past, recent research has shown that egg whites can actually reduce the risk of heart disease. Egg whites contain no cholesterol and are low in saturated fats, which are two of the main contributors to heart disease. Additionally, the high protein content in egg whites can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 4. Promotes healthy weight loss. As mentioned, egg whites are a low-calorie and high-protein option, making them an ideal food for those looking to lose weight. The high protein content in egg whites helps to increase feelings of fullness and reduce hunger, making it less likely that you'll overeat or snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. Additionally, the nutrients in egg whites help to support healthy metabolism and energy production, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight over time. 5. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common health concern, but egg whites can help to reduce the risk of hypertension. Egg whites contain peptides that work as a natural ACE inhibitor, which can help to lower blood pressure levels. Additionally, the potassium found in egg whites helps to regulate blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 6. Improves brain function. Egg whites are a fantastic source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain function. Choline helps to support healthy memory and cognitive function, making it an essential nutrient for individuals of all ages. Additionally, the amino acids found in egg whites can help to improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety or depression. 7. Boosts immune system function. The immune system is essential for fighting off disease and infection, and egg whites can help to support healthy immune system function. Egg whites contain a range of nutrients, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, and zinc, which all play crucial roles in supporting healthy immune function. By incorporating egg whites into your diet, you can help your body fight off illness and stay healthy. 8. Regulates blood sugar levels. For individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, regulating blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Egg whites can help to regulate blood sugar levels by providing a low-carbohydrate, high-protein option. The protein found in egg whites helps to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing blood sugar spikes and dips. Additionally, the nutrients found in egg whites help to support healthy metabolism and energy production, making it easier to manage blood sugar levels over time. 9. Supports healthy skin and hair. Egg whites are rich in biotin, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in healthy skin and hair. Biotin helps to strengthen hair follicles, promote healthy hair growth, and prevent hair loss. Additionally, Biotin supports healthy skin by promoting the production of collagen, which helps to keep skin firm and youthful. By incorporating egg whites into your diet, you can support healthy hair and skin from the inside out. 10. Supports healthy pregnancy. Egg whites are an excellent source of nutrients for pregnant women, including protein, choline, and folate. These nutrients are essential for healthy fetal development and can help to prevent birth defects and other complications during pregnancy. Additionally, the protein found in egg whites can help to support healthy weight gain during pregnancy and reduce the risk of gestational diabetes. 11. Boosts energy levels. Egg whites are a fantastic source of protein and other essential nutrients, making them an ideal food for boosting energy levels. The high protein content in egg whites helps to support healthy metabolism and energy production, making it easier to power through your day without feeling sluggish or tired. Additionally, the nutrients found in egg whites help to support healthy brain function and reduce feelings of fatigue or brain fog. 12. Improves bone health. Egg whites are a great source of calcium and other essential minerals that support healthy bone growth and development. Calcium is essential for strong bones, and egg whites contain about 2% of the recommended daily intake of calcium per egg white. Additionally, the vitamin D found in egg whites helps the body absorb and use calcium more effectively, further supporting healthy bone development. 13. Supports healthy digestion. The high protein content in egg whites helps to support healthy digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, the nutrients found in egg whites help to support healthy bowel movements and reduce the risk of constipation or other digestive issues. By incorporating egg whites into your diet, you can support healthy digestion and overall gut health. 14. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for many chronic diseases, but egg whites can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Egg whites contain a range of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, the amino acids found in egg whites can help to reduce inflammation in the gut, reducing the risk of digestive issues and other inflammatory conditions. 15. Promotes healthy aging. The nutrients found in egg whites, including protein, vitamin B12, and antioxidants, all play a crucial role in healthy aging. Protein helps to support muscle mass and prevent age-related muscle loss, while vitamin B12 helps to maintain healthy cognitive function. Additionally, the antioxidants found in egg whites help to reduce oxidative stress and prevent damage to cells, promoting overall healthy aging. 16. Versatile and easy to incorporate. One of the best things about egg whites is their versatility and ease of incorporation into your diet. Egg whites can be scrambled, boiled, or used in a variety of recipes, making them a convenient and practical option for any meal. Additionally, egg whites can be used in place of whole eggs in many recipes, making them a lower fat and lower calorie option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Potential drawbacks. While egg whites have numerous benefits for your health, it's important to consider potential drawbacks of consuming them daily. Some individuals may be allergic to eggs or have sensitivities to the proteins found in egg whites, which could lead to adverse reactions. Additionally, consuming large amounts of egg whites could contribute to a diet that is too high in protein, which can strain the kidneys and lead to other health issues. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet and to ensure that you are consuming egg whites in moderation. And there you have it, 15 incredible benefits of eating egg whites every day, plus a bonus benefit for their versatility and convenience. By incorporating egg whites into your daily diet, you can support healthy weight management, improve heart health, boost energy levels, and promote healthy aging, among many other benefits. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with egg whites or any other healthy food tips you have. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and nutrition advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.